Hi everyone, it's Ann. Today we're going to take a look at an older Oracle deck that was released about 2 years ago, May 24th, 2022. I'm recording this in April 2024, so a little under 2 years. Next month it will be 2 years. It's called Messages from the Spirits of Nature Oracle, and it's by Dr. Stephen D. Farmer, a 44 card deck and guidebook. And it's published by Hay House, so it's in the traditional Hay House hard case 2-part box. There is a thumb hole cutout. There's the top, the other side of the box, and then the back. There's a few pictures of the cards connect to the spirits of nature. So another nature deck. Inside, discover the magic of communicating with the spirits of the natural world. And then it does come with a guidebook. There's the thickness. Here's the back picture of the author, Dr. Stephen Farmer. And we'll take a look at the guidebook more in depth after we look at the cards. The cards are underneath. Here's the inside of the top and bottom of the card. Pretty sturdy. Traditional Hay House box. And here are the backs. And they are not reversible. Yeah, because the green is here, you reverse it, the green is here, so they're not reversible. Sides are not gilded. Cardstock is smooth. Paper, matte, medium cardstock. Comparing it to a traditional plaid back tarot card size, it is taller and wider. So traditional Hay House Oracle card size if you own other Hay House cards. And they are pretty much borderless. There is this little border up top with the keyword, and then the number is underneath. So let's zoom in and take a look. So we have air, apple tree. So I guess the top keywords are the description of the illustration, and then there's another keyword underneath, abundance, butterfly, regeneration. I like the keywords. That's one of the reasons why I bought this deck. And the illustration are beautiful. As you can see, the colors are nice. Cave, initiation, cedar tree, wisdom, cicada, voice. How synchronistic. So supposedly this is the season, at least here in the United States, where all the cicadas come out, right? They've been asleep for several hundred years, 200 years or some long amount of time like that. And supposedly they're going to be coming up this year soon, is what I heard. Cloud, imagination. Look how beautiful that is. Crystal quartz, focus. Wow, the illustration and the colors are gorgeous, you guys. Dandelion, healing. Oh my goodness, look at that. The colors are beautiful. Desert thirst, diamond radiance, dolphin listening. Oh, look how cute the dolphin is. Eagle vision, earth, home, fire, intensity. Look at that. Forest, diversity. Nice rays coming down. Honeybee, community. Hurricane, centered. Island, detachment. Jasmine, sensuality. Wow. Lightning, breakthrough. Lotus, resurrection. Look how gorgeous this is. So nice. Moon, cycles. Moss, adaptability. Mountain, intention. Oak tree, ancestors. Ocean, waves. Owl, intuition. Rain, renewal. Rainbow, beauty. Rice, nourishment. river, flow. Rose, love. Sage, purification. Sequoia tree. Sequoia tree, balance. Snake, shedding. Stars, navigation. Wow. Sun, faith. Tobacco, reciprocity. Volcano, release. Water, life, blood. Waterfall, persistence. Look how gorgeous that is. Wilderness, untamed. Wind, movement. So that's the last card, card number 44. Look how gorgeous that is. Bright yellow. Here's another look at the backs. And let's take a look at the guidebook. Dedicated to all our relations and Pachamama, the mother of us all. So contents is all listed out for easy, quick reference. Look up. That's nice. Introduction. It's not just land that is broken, but more importantly, our relationship to land. All right. Spirits of nature versus animal spirit guides. Instructions for working with the cards. Preparing your cards before a reading. Storing your cards, how to give oracle card readings. 1 card readings, 3 card readings. So they give you sample spreads, general meaning of the cards. Then it goes into the cards. So you get the title of the card and the keywords and then the message, but there is no picture of the card. All right. So about the author and about the artist is in the back of the book. Total of 111 pages. 111 pages total. All right, should we shuffle? Clear the deck. All right. All right, so overhand shuffle is fine. It glides. Nice, very nice. And then vertically, that's fine as well. And then this way. All right. One more time. All right, let's see if they will riffle shuffle. They should. Yep, they will. Little hard for me to bridge, but once you break them in, they should. Yep, there you go. So they will riffle shuffle and bridge for you. Can we get a message from this deck on this 4/8/2024 eclipse day? I'm recording this on Monday, April 4th, 2024. You guys will probably see this tomorrow, the day after. But we just had the eclipse here in the United States. Where I live, it was just a partial eclipse, but I did see a lot of places that had the full eclipse, and that was interesting. I did watch it in 2017, but for some reason this one seems like it was more publicized, it was more exciting, so it was pretty cool to watch. Message from this deck on this 4/8/2024 eclipse day. What do you want us to know? Message for the collective who would be watching, collective viewers. What do we need to know at this time? No cars is jumping out. Message from this deck for the collective viewers. Any message? I guess no message. No message, so I will cut the deck. All right, I will cut the deck. All right. Wow, you guys, fire intensity. Woohoo! Wow. All right. Let's look it up. Card number 15. So that's a 6 numerology card. Fire intensity. All right. The spirit of fire, one of the 4 primary elements, has been a big part of Earth's story for billions of years and will continue to be so long after we're gone. It has an intensity to it no matter how small or large. It has a hold on us. We fear it, yet seek its warmth. We speak of the fire in the heart as a description of our passion, fire in the belly as an urging for action, and fire in the head as an expression of a burning inspiration. As the most dynamic of the 4 major elements, fire commands respect in all its iterations for its immense power. Fire is neither inherently good nor bad. Like the other primary elements, it just is. It can stimulate growth and help maintain the balance in various ecological systems. It's been used to provide warmth in the cold, to bring light to darkness, to cook food, and as an integral part of thousands of years of sacred ceremonies. On the other hand, it can also destroy life resources, pollute the atmosphere, and contaminate the waters. It destroys forests, yet in that act it clears the way for new growth. It is neither friend nor enemy, yet commands respect for its immense power. No matter what you feel about your relationship with fire, you cannot deny its intensity. Message: everything seems to be going smoothly without a lot of disruptive ripples and conflict. The trade-off for this peace and calm is that there's no fire to your life. There's very little excitement and enthusiasm. By adhering to certain safe routines and relatively predictable and mundane rituals, you're lacking the intensity that is a spark for action, passion, and creativity. In this era of your life, it's important to take risks and stretch yourself, to engage in activities that spark your excitement and enthusiasm. Your mind and body may have been conditioned to associate intensity with tension and turmoil. It doesn't matter how old you are, it's time to follow your passionate and creative urges. What activities have you been considering but have been reluctant to act on for fear of causing upheaval in your stable and comfortable life? Life is short. Stoke that fire in your belly and in your heart and abandon those fears that have been holding you back from experiences that really light your inner fire. All right, so it's saying take action, take risks, be bold, be daring. Create, follow that passion in your heart. All right. Beautiful illustration, very colorful, nice. If you're looking for a clarifier deck with good keywords, you might want to consider this, or if you're a nature lover, or if you're a fan of the author, he's pretty popular. Stephen Farmer, he's been around for a while. You might want to consider this deck. So as usual, if you are interested in the deck, I will put the link in the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you again on the next video. Bye.